Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an awesome video for you guys. We're going to be putting new headlights here in the brand new Duramax. And as you guys know, I just got this truck. You know, we've had the Cateye here forever, and I've had LED headlights in the Cateye for years and years. Well, of course, this truck, when I bought it, has the halogen bulbs in it, and I hate them because I'm used to the LED. So today's video is brought to you by Auxbeam. They have sent me the headlights for this truck to try out and make a video for you guys, as well as giving me a discount code for you guys. And the discount code is AUXW15. That'll give you 15% off site-wide. And before we get into the whole install and all that, the link to the headlights are going to be down below. But what they've sent me today is their W series Cree lights. But I want to show you guys why we're doing this today. And if any of you guys still have just regular halogen bulbs, you know what it's like. It's ugly. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look what, and I'm not going to go as far as say ugly, but it's not clean looking. It just, LEDs look so clean and they're brighter and just so much nicer. So we're going to be installing their W series headlight bulbs, like I said. And what they have sent me today is high and low beams. So you come in this nice box. Let's see, take this off. There you go. See, those are low beams. And these should be high beams. The stickers here. There's highs. Now, like I said, the link to them is going to be down in the description below. Just go down there, click on that link, and then it's got the options for like the size bulb, because it's not, you know, every vehicle's got a different style bulb. You select your option there, and then, you know, go into the cart, check out, boom, you got your LED headlights. So really excited to be working for Auxbeam. I've been using their lights for a good long while here on the other truck. I have their reverse lights and fog lights, and daytime running lights, and their light bar here in the Cateye. So great company, and I'm super excited that they're willing to help me out here on the new truck and send us the headlights for it. And of course, this truck hands down will have all Auxbeam lights in it. Great company, and I've had absolutely no problems out of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the install. All right, guys, so before I put this in here, and I'm not going to focus a lot on the install part of this because you guys are here to to see the headlights. That's what the video is about. So the whole thing is, it's metal construction. Got the little Auxbeam there on the side, and if you don't know, don't touch those LEDs. You're not supposed to touch them, which that's sealed, so I guess you could actually technically touch those on this one, but still don't want to do it. But seems really well built. There's a little fan in the back side. Now here's, you know, I guess it'd be like some type of resistor with a nice Auxbeam on the back. So you see there's the plug on the end of that. Plug this up here, screw that in, and there's the end that's actually going to connect into the harness for the headlights on the truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and put in both of them on one side, and then turn the headlights on, so that way we can see the difference between the halogen and the LED and the daylight. And of course, after I get these put in here, when it gets dark, I'll show the before video of the headlights, like what it looked like before, then the after. All right, guys, so there is the low beam LED, and then you come over here, and there's the very ugly halogen. So it just looks so much better. And I'll go ahead and flip on the high beams here, so you guys can see. There's your halogen high beam. There is the LED. And God, it just looks so much better. You know, when you're driving at night, and there's no way it's just me. If something's coming with LED headlights, in your mind, you're thinking two things. One, it's a new vehicle, or, you know, newer vehicle. Two, something's done to the vehicle, or it's a custom vehicle, if you will. You know, it's been altered in some way, whether it's a car or a truck or whatever. If it's halogen bulbs, normally it's the stock cars or the older cars or whatever, and we just kind of, we think like that. So when you see that, I think when you see LED headlights, you're looking for something nicer or better than when you see something with halogen. But I'm going to go ahead and put the LEDs over here on the other side, and then I'll pick back up the camera and show you guys once I'm all done. All right, guys, so there is the headlights, and they are installed, and they look great. And of course, you know, we can't really tell until it gets dark here how great they really are. But like I said, as soon as it gets dark here, I'll make the video on the after, you know, now that the lights are in. I filmed last night the before. So with the stock halogens, high, low, and high, and then you guys will be able to see the difference, because I'll play the old footage first, and I'll play the new footage with the before and after on the lights. Alrighty guys, so there is the stock halogen low beams, and there is the high beams. So there again is the low, and there is the high. So that's what it looks like right now, and then I'll go ahead and put in the footage of what it looks like with Auxbeam's new W Series Cree LED lights. Alright guys, and there's the Auxbeam LED headlights, and there's the high beams, and golly, talk about a massive difference. I mean, the whole thing is just so much brighter, and it just looks so much better. And I'll get out of the truck here so you guys can see. I mean, you know, the camera's not going to do it justice. It hurts. You can't look at that. But that's with the high beams on. And man, and it just looks so much better. And you know, I'm going to get fog lights, and I also want to do the clear, or the LED but smoked cab lights there too, so we can just get rid of the amber altogether. So appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, use that discount code, because that'll get you 15% off on Auxbeam's website. The link to these is down in the description below. Thank you again to Auxbeam. Really appreciate it, and glad I could do a video for you guys. So thank you again for watching. Drop any comments you got down below. You can follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. Hit me up in the DMs if you got any questions. Usually see those more than I do see the comment section, and that's just because of how many comments I get on all the older videos. So thanks again for watching. Take care. Have a great day.